Welcome to my YouTube channel in legal information. Today I will try to explain you how to find the best 18-wheeler accident lawyer in San Antonio. Introduction. Accident involving 18-wheelers or semi-trucks can you have disadvantage condition often resulting in the research injuries and extensive damage if your loved one has been involved in such accident in San Antonio. It's instead to secure the service of the best 18-wheeler accident lawyers to protect your right and seek fair competition. In the guide we will explore the steps to find the best legal representation in San Antonio for trucking accident. First, specialization in trucking accident. Beginning your search by looking for lawyers who specialize in trucking accident. Specifically, these attorneys have expertise and experience to understand the complex nature of truck accident, including federal and state regulations that govern the industry. To verify the criticals and qualification, check the lawyer's credential and qualification. Ensure the are license to practice law in the tax and have relevant certification or application with organization like the American Association for Justice AAJ or the Tax Trial Lawyers Association TTLA. Access experience. Experience is the critical factor. Inquire about the lawyer's experience in the handling 18-wheelers accident case. Ask how many similar cases the we manage and what the outcomes. We are an attorney with the substitutional track record and better equipped to handle your case effectively. Fourth, reputation meter. Research the lawyer's reputation both online and offline. Read client testimonials, online reviews, and ask for referral from a friend or family who may have had similar legal needs. A lawyer with a solid reputation is likely to be more respected and legal recycled and by insurance companies. Consultation. Must be lawyers offer a free interrogation. Use the opportunity to discuss your case and evaluate the lawyer's understanding of your case situation. Pay attention to their communication skill, their strategy for your case, and whether they make you feel comfortable. Fee structure. Discuss the lawyer fee structure. Upfront most personal injury lawyers, including those specializing in truck accident, work on a contingent fees basis. Make sure you understand their fees agreement, including an additional cost that may arise during the legal process. 7. Communication skills. Effective communication skill increases throughput of your case. Ask about the lawyer's availability, preferred communication method, and their communicate to keeping you informed about case developments. Clear the frequent communication is the singing of the dedicated attorney. Research and support. Trucking accidents often require access to resources such as accident recognition specialties, medical expertise, and investigation Investigation inquiry about the lawyer ability to utilize use the resource and their network of professionals who can strengthen your case. 9. Trial experience. Well, many personal injury cases settled out of court. It's important to have a lawyer who is prepared to go to trial. Of necessary trial experience can be significant assessed when negotiation with the large trucking companies and their insurance. Consultation. Finding the best 18-wheeler accident lawyer in San Antonio is a critical step to seeking justice in a fire complication after traumatic truck accident by selecting an attorney who specializes in trucking accident has a strong track record and for their communication skill and dedication you can increase your chance of achieving a favorable outcome for your case. Remember that your choice of lawyer is crucial as the will be your advocate in pressing justice and holding responsible parties accountable of their action. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Wait for next video. Thank you.